Welcome back to Flight Deck Master. Today we have a crucial update regarding Singapore Airlines flight SQ321, which was scheduled to fly from London Heathrow to Singapore on May 20th, 2024. Flight SQ321, carrying 265 passengers and 18 crew members, encountered severe turbulence that led to its diversion. Originally en route to Singapore, the aircraft was diverted to Bangkok, where it landed safely at 15:45 local time on May 21st, 2024. The flight experienced significant turbulence, resulting in injuries to some passengers and crew. Sadly, there were 2 fatalities among the passengers due to the turbulence. Additionally, 8 passengers were injured and were promptly taken to local hospitals for treatment.